What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to apply transitions between video clips in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After adding your clips to your timeline, make sure to grab the end of your timeline bar to zoom in where you wish to add a transition. When this is done, right-click the cut between the two clips and select Apply Default Transition. This will add a cross dissolve between your two clips. If you don't like or want this particular transition, then make sure to select it, which will allow you to delete it or to drag it to make it longer or shorter. In case you're getting the insufficient media error, then make sure to trim your clip a little before adding a transition, as Premiere Pro needs some of your clip's footage to create the transition effect. Next, navigate over to your Effects panel. In case you can't find it, then navigate to Window, Effects, or use the shortcut Shift and 7. On this window, expand the Video Transitions and find one that you like. To add it between your clips, simply drag and drop it into your timeline to where the cut or transition should be. You can also right-click any transition in the Effects panel to set it as a new default transition. For more advanced settings for your transition, make sure to select the transition in your timeline and open up your Effect Controls panel. Here, you will see a preview of your transition and more options below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.